Hello over there at Andrew Landscape Construction. Thank you, first of all, for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. My name is Eddie Medina and I work with Boundless SEO and we're a digital marketing agency. I was told Andrew would be the correct person to send this video to, so I hope you're watching, Andrew. I was doing some research in your area and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'll make this super short. If by the end of this video, though, you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over is your content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. It's very unique. I like the dynamic background with the grass here. As you scroll, that stays in place, but your content, your page goes down. This is it's fairly neat. All the navigation seems to be working. Click on everything seems to be working just fine. The phone number, though, it's not like an interlink that you click and you could just make the call. That's pretty much beneficial on a website or good to see on a website. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the service you offer and a level of trust inside Google for a better ranking. Inside these 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without stuffing. So what I mean by stuffing is spamming. For example, having keywords all over the page, making it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords, but scattered without protocol pretty much just hurts your website. So you really want to avoid that. Believe it or not, Google will actually flag your website as spam if you don't follow these protocols. So just be careful if you do. Looks like you're not close to 1,500. And that's fine. I mean, these strategies are to give you a boost inside Google and, with intentions to keep you in that first page of Google. What I mean by keywords, though, for example, is buyer intent keywords. If I jump onto the Google site and type in landscaping Los Angeles, California, landscaping Riverside, California. So that's pretty much the keyword that I'm talking about. So you might want to scatter those around on your website. There is a process to find these keywords, but you could surely do it. That's what I mean by keywords. So let's jump into Ahrefs here real quick. This is a paid tool. You could go onto the website if you don't mind paying for it. Type in your website here. This is what you have going in the background of your website. So last month, looks like you got only 2 persons jumping into your website. Organic keywords, again, this is very important. You have 6 keywords inside your website. Referring domains 40, backlinks 342. Let's talk about backlinks for a little bit. When you think of the website, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a separate website sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware, though, that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. Backlinks is the URL level here. This is your backlink data. Looks like you don't have anything going, so I'm assuming the backlink section or whatever backlinks you currently have is not giving you anything. They're not relevant. They're not giving you any boost. They don't have power behind it, so you might want to look into that. Referring domains are citations. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the website in different directories. A directory will be something like, for example, Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Any of those websites where you can add your business information and service to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their services. That is what a citation is. So that would be your DR meter here. Looks like you got 40, but again, it's not giving you any boost. So what you have going as far as backlinks and citations, they're not really powerful in layman's terms. Finally, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citations, that site is not really getting any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities, like calls and leads and all that good stuff. All that fun stuff you like to see, right? This is your competitor here. These people are on the first page of Google. This company, I should say. As you can see, I don't think they have the 1,500 words here. Yeah, they definitely not. So they're pretty much easy to beat on that aspect or that section. Let's see what they have going behind their website. Looks like they have 25 people going on a monthly. Actually, this would be last month. So they got 25 people jumping into the website. Keywords, again, 24. Only 24. This is quite a little bit. Referring domains, 23. Backlinks, 531. Comparing it to yours. So there's really not much going for your website here, unfortunately, but they are taking some leads in. Finally, what I like to suggest, if you have keywords, say for example, I jump into Google and I search for landscaping, my area, whatever that area would be, and you pop out, but you're on the other side of the country, that kind of makes no sense. So you really want to avoid that. And again, that would be by keywords, backlinks, and citations. If you have keywords that doesn't help you, this will not help you here, the organic traffic, because you're going to just bring in leads from people that are not by your intent. You really want to avoid that. All right, so hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. And if you need more information or have any questions, please give me a call, text, or send me an email. This is what we do here as a digital marketing agency. So if you have any questions, please contact me. We got you back. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.